Hello children, welcome back. Children, today we are going to see an example problem 2.51 and the problem is find the sum to n terms of the series 5 plus 55 plus 555 plus ... Now children, for this sum we are going to find Sn. Sn is equal to 5 plus 55 plus 555 plus etc. up to n terms. Now children, what is the first step? Now we want to check whether the given series in arithmetic progression or geometric progression. We know that how to check the arithmetic progression. Yes, we know that T2 minus T1 is equal to T3 minus T2. So let us check. T2 minus T1 is what? 55 minus 5 is 50. And what about T3 minus T2? 555 minus 50 is 500. So it is not equal. So T2 minus T1 which is not equal to T3 minus T2. Therefore, it is not an arithmetic progression. It is not an AP. Now, next step is let us check whether the given series in geometric progression or not. So, geometric progression we know that T2 by T1 is equal to 55 divided by 5 is 11. And what about T3 by T2? It is 555 divided by 55 is 10.09. And this is not in geometric progression. Why? Because T2 by T1 which is not equal to T3 by T2. So the given series is not in arithmetic progression and also this is not in geometric progression. So what we have to do? We want to do this series into a arithmetic progression or geometric progression. So for this we want to change this 5 as a 9 and 55 as a 99 like this. How do we make this? Yes, first of all we want to make it as a 1 and then we want to convert into 9. We will do this problem, then you will understand. So what is the first step is let us take the terms. So Sn is equal to 5 plus 55 plus 555 plus n terms. Now the first step is children, take 5 as a common. Okay, if I take 5 as a common, what will be the remaining? Yes, 5 into 1 plus 11 plus 111 plus up to etc. n terms. If you multiply, you will get that series. So 5 into 1 will be 5, 5 into 11 will be 5 into 11 will be 55 and 5 into 111 will be 555 up to n terms. Now children, the second step is let us multiply the 5 with 9 and also divide by 9. There is nothing change in the meaning. If we cancel that 9, there is nothing change in the meaning, right? So 5 by 9 into 9, 1 plus 11 plus 111 etc. up to n terms. And keep 5 by 9 as it is. Now let us take this 9 inside, let us multiply it. So 9 into 1 will be 9, 9 into 11 will be 99, 9 into 111, what is that? 999 etc. up to n terms. Now children, 5 by 9, so that 9 can be written as 10 minus 1. Okay, what will be 99? 100 minus 1. And what will be 999? That will be 1000 minus 1. Okay, so 5 by 9 into 10 minus 1 plus 100 minus 1 plus 1000 minus 1 etc. up to n terms. Now children, keep 5 by 9 as it is. You can take this 10, 100, 1000 as one term, right? So 10 plus 100 plus 1000 plus etc. up to n terms. That minus 1 is remaining there, no? If I take minus as a common, okay, if you take minus as a common, then the remaining will be 1 plus 1 plus 1 up to n terms. You can multiply that. Minus 1 into 1, it will be minus 1, right? So you can see that 10 plus 100 plus 1000 up to n terms. And what type of series it is? Yes, it's a geometric series. T2 by T1, okay, 100 divided by 10 will be 10. T3 by T2, that is 1000 divided by 100 will be 10. So this series is a geometric progression. So the sum of n series, what is that formula? Sn is equal to a into r power n minus 1 divided by r minus 1. So this is we can apply. Okay, and 1 plus 1 plus up to n terms can be, how do we write this? That is n terms will be just write as n. Okay, so and what about a? It's 10. And what about the common ratio? It is also 10. So 10 power n minus 1 divided by r minus 1 will be 10 minus 1 minus n, right, as it is. Okay, now let us take 5 inside. Okay, So 5 into 10 will be 50. 9 nines are 81. So 50 by 81, 10 power n minus 1 minus 5 into n will be 5n and 9 into 1 will be 9. So the answer is 50 by 81, 10 power n minus 1 minus 5n by 9. This is the answer, children. One more problem, find the sum to n terms of the series 3 plus 33 plus 333 plus. So same method you can do this. Okay, hope you have understood. We will see in the next video. Bye.